Hi guys, welcome to this week's mentoring video. It's Monday, 31st of August 2020, and as always I bring the disclaimer first. So again, this is a warning. The video here, the one which you're watching right now, is clearly only for informational, educational purposes. So having said that, let's move on, as we usually do, to our weekly mentoring session. And today we're going to talk about a couple topics. I prepared the agenda for us. As usual, we'll look at the portfolio and check what's going on there. Are we making money? Are we losing money? What's going on the market? We'll look at the profits and losses. We'll handle the trades that need to be handled, or just leave them alone if they don't need to be handled. Look at all the positions. Then I will also look at Apple and Tesla a little bit and just explain to you, because they had recently a stock split, and just what it means and how it looks like and what it means to us as traders, like how can we position ourselves towards these newly splitted tickers. Last week trades, I want to discuss trade on Visa. This one is actually, we were lucky with that one and it turned risk-free. So I'm going to talk a little bit about risk-free trades today. So show you some charts actually. What does it mean to be risk-free? This is our portfolio. Now actually the number of positions got reduced. Some of them expired. As you can see, we can fit all the positions in the portfolio now on this screen. So I can see everything I need to see without scrolling this. And of course, first thing I do is look at who are the losers and winners. Firstly, maybe overall year to date, are we making money? Are we not making money? Looks good. We're doing good. So we're up. Profits on the positions is looking pretty good. PL open. Today we're just making a little bit of dineros, not too much. We have quite strong theta. It's $307 per day theta. And our beta weighted portfolio in terms of delta is just 83, which means basically if SPY moves by $1, the expected move in this portfolio value is either 83 up or down, depending where the SPY goes. I also found a little article on the internet from the USA Today, where how did the stock market hit a record amid COVID-19 fueled recession? Here's what experts say. I mean, I read this article and it's not particularly amazing, but there is a little answer why, and I think I found it somewhere here. It's exactly what I've been investigating before. High-flying stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Alphabet, Google Alphabet, have powered this year's rally, far outpacing the rest of the market as investors bet heavily they could prevail in a stay-at-home economy. So this is also interesting. Tech giant Apple was the first publicly traded company to top a 2 trillion valuation. So you see, this amazing growth of the S&P 500 can be actually linked to just a couple players. Just to be understanding what's going on in terms of how fearful people are with today's market. And you can see that actually there is a little bit more fear coming up in there. The VIX jumped from being at the levels of 20 to now around 25-ish. To me, it tells just a little bit of a story. It tells me that people are really scared. They don't understand what's going on. The market can go up or down massively anytime, and that's not a very good signal. ExxonMobil. So this for me is not a trade. This is an investment, right? So I'm buying something which I want to keep in my portfolio and profit from the monthly or quarterly, quarterly dividends. But having said that, I can not just only profit from quarterly dividends, I can also profit on this one by selling calls and puts still, and collecting premiums for those as the time passes, and I can collect these premiums every month. Visa, how do you get your trade to be risk-free? So first of all, let's have a look at Visa. How did you create a trade where even if the price drops to zero, max you can lose in it is nothing? How do you get a trade like this? And if it goes up, then you're actually making cash, and max what we can make here is actually $500. Yeah. How do you create a trade like that, which is risk-free? You can actually have these trades in your portfolio and then just sleep really nice. You don't really care, right?